Hey, I'm Ethan Peterson. I'm taking an Intro to Computer Science class, and recently we made a mock movie poster, or a collage. To show you the final result of the collage, here's what it looks like. It's based off of Harry Potter, and we're going to make a sort of humorous budget remake version of it. So you can see there's three different sprites I used in my collage. I used a Harry Potter, Sorcerer's Stone, and Voldemort. And then I also have a background and title, the Harry Potter, the budget remake, and starring and produced by. And now I want to take you through all the steps that I took to make that. In Intro to Computer Science, we did first learn a lot about file management, so I have files for everything. If I go into GIMP, Budget Harry Potter Remake, I can find the files for my sprites, screenshots, final edits, final collage, and background. First, I want to walk you through my sprites. I have three different sprites: Harry Potter, Sorcerer's Stone, and Voldemort. I'm going to show you Harry Potter first. So I have two different files. I have raw and edits, and the raw version is me just taking off the internet a picture of Harry Potter that I wanted to use for my collage, and it's completely untouched, unedited, and it's for whenever I make a mistake in editing and want to go back for it or something like that. I always have that picture that's completely untouched. If I go into my edited folder, I can find three different things. So it's another Harry Potter unedited version right here, and then the edited PNG that I will be making with GIMP, and then the actual GIMP file. So if I load up GIMP, I'll take a second. Okay, I can show you what I did to make Harry Potter a PNG. So I used tools like the eraser, the lasso, and the crop to kind of cut out Harry Potter from the background and separate him so that I can make everything else transparent and upload him as a PNG. And so I did this with all three of my sprites as well as my background, which I'll get into. I can show you for the rest of my sprites briefly. I'll go to Voldemort. I still have a raw version of him, then the edited version, and there's the PNG, the GIMP file, and the unedited, and it's the same for the Sorcerer's Stone. If I go into background, I also kind of treated it like a sprite, but it is different in that I'm not trying to make anything transparent really, except any parts that I don't need. So if I go to edits, let's just access the GIMP file. Again, it takes a bit for it to load. Okay. So I did cut out the sides of the background because it's a little too long for my collage. And I did that with the crop tool. I can show you now. If I say I want only this piece of my background, I can select that and with the crop tool, and it only shows that piece of the background. I'm going to undo that. Okay, next thing is in my final collage, I stored the actual final movie poster with everything kind of combined together. Final edits. This is the saved version, or the saved edited version of everything that I'm actually going to be using for the collage. It has Voldemort, Sorcerer's Stone, Harry Potter, and the background Forbidden Door thing. They're all the PNG version that I need them to be, and so they're the final edited version for my collage. The last thing I want to show you is screenshots. So I took screenshots of me editing the Harry Potter, Sorcerer's Stone, and Voldemort sprites. And I actually used this in my e-portfolio and took pictures to show the progress of me making my sprites a PNG. And so that's pretty much it for my vlog. I just wanted to show you the process for creating my collage, and that's it. Thank you for watching.